In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Costco promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, it can be Safari or Google Chrome, and here first go to google.com and in the search bar enter Costco promo code. It moves you to that page where you can find a lot of different websites that contains promo code. And now here just open up some of them where you can find a list of different promo codes. You can use any of them. The best offers are usually at the first position. For example, here you can find $20 promo code for Costco shopping cart with Gold Star Executive membership. You can use that promo code or some other. For example, here you can get some free gift, and just tap at that promo code to move to Costco website where you can get a membership. Just don't forget to check if the promo code is applied. If for some reason the promo code doesn't work, you can go back to that or to another site and here try to use another promo code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.